Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you like this video as well. It's about how I blow dry my hair at home. I use Babyliss Hot Hair Stylist, which comes with two brushes. One is small and one is medium to large, so you can actually detach them and change whatever obviously look you are going for. I go for my bottom hair with the smallest brush, and then crown section with the medium or large brush. I really like this because it actually rotates both ways, so even if you get your hair tangled inside, it's very easy to detangle them. You literally press the other second button and it rotates them out. So I really, plus when it rotates on the end, it just gives you a professional finish that like you're getting from salon. I seen other brushes as well, especially one is in Amazon, very famous. I've seen all the time the video of it, but I think that doesn't rotate. For me, this works very well. They used to have an old version as well. I had a picture for you up there so you can see how that looks. They actually used to come with only one brush, not detachable at all, but that give a lot of volume as well. I will try to make a video for you guys using that brush so you can see how that comes. But normally when I'm using that brush, I blow dry my hair inwards. I will show you with my next video so you can see the difference. In this video I'm actually mostly blowing them outwards because I really want my layers to be show up more. So it's all about the method, like how you like to blow dry your hair. So in this video you can see me, I'm actually getting the back hair, I'm giving them label root lift, and then I'm bringing them on the front and then rotating them on front. So when they fall back, they actually will be outwards. So you will see in the end result how that comes. But this works with all type of hairs. I think if you have very thick hair, I don't know how long it's gonna take you, but for my hair, and I have thin hair, it works magics. Especially because I don't have to worry about my hair getting tangled or stuck, because I've seen people getting their hair stuck with these kind of brushes. But because it's rotate both ways, it's very easy to get your hair out of that situation. And plus this comes with two different size brushes, so obviously if you want to have curly look, you can go for that as well. And if you just want a volume, then you can use the bigger brush. I use both, the small for the bottom part of my hair and big one for the crown section. I'm so sorry if I'm making faces here. It was such a hot day outside and I was actually not going anywhere, but it was a day and I really want to get ready. It was so much going around the world that you need some distraction. So I thought I'm gonna try to make a video where I'm actually doing my own hair. So rather than you guys seeing the dummies all the time, I can show you how I style my hair when I have to, because my hair are extremely thin. I don't know if you can see that very well, but my hair are very thin. I hardly put any product on them because it get very sticky on my hair. If I have to put something, I put a root lift. In my next video I will try to show you what brand and what product I actually use if I'm going anywhere and where I need to everything to last a little bit more longer. Normally I just do blow dry on my normal hairs. It lasts me about 3 to 4 days until I obviously wash my hair. And what I do is that for second days I use dry shampoo on my roots, so my layers are still there, but obviously my crown section get flattened, so I literally give a little bit more dry shampoo there and it looks brand new. In this video I will try to put a little bit more shampoo on the end, dry shampoo, because it actually gives you quite a lift even if you want to try to use that on the first day. I wasn't using any back combing, any products, so I just add a little bit dry shampoo in the end. You will see me using it. So as you can see, everything I'm bringing forwards and I'm blow drying them outwards. If you can see sometime going inwards, it's just which angle I'm holding it, but all the hair I'm blowing them outwards, especially the crown. Same thing, I'm making sure that they all going backwards and outwards, so that they have a symmetry when obviously you will see the result. But you can do this with the middle parting, side parting, whatever parting you feel. And if, as I told you earlier, it was very hot day and obviously this hairstylists are blowing a lot of hot air and I was just dead. I thought, why I choose this day to do a review for you guys. But this is very good hairstyler. I don't know why people doesn't talk about them that much, but yeah, this is my final result. You can do middle parting, you can do side parting. It looks always good. If you want to obviously go back, I normally go back one more time when everything is dry and leave it for 15 seconds, so everything to be set once. If you want, that you can see me attaching small brushes, that's detach me, curl me set. You can leave them. I sometimes, if I'm going for very like a function where I'm gonna stay a little bit more longer, I normally do my blow dry, leave them in my hair, and I will take them before I'm going out. So this is the final result. I hopefully you like it, and I will try to make another video for you guys using their old version. Subscribe, hit the bell notification for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.